You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more names from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got loads to learn here. This is a Sicilian circular cake recipe. In Italian, the pronunciation is as buccellato, buccellato, buccellato. So because you have a double C and a double L, you want to stress on that double C, which is pronounced like CH, buccellato, buccellato. It's easy. Did you get this? In English, the pronunciation can be as buccellato. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.